Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Yadav. I have done my graduation in BTech Computer Science from Shambhunath Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is situated in Jhalwa, Prayagraj. So after completion of my course, I was looking for a job. So one of my friend told me about the course of eVision. I have joined the course of 45 days internship program where I have learned the skills for the role of desktop support engineer. After the completion of my course, I got placed in the team computers for the package of 3.2 LPA. I would especially want to thank Priya ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, and all the mentors of the eVision group and also the placement team. Thereafter, I would like to switch for the cloud in the eVision as well. So I feel very comfortable in eVision while if it is about learning or any other thing. The team were very supportive towards all the things, and I would also recommend other peoples to join eVision and kickstart their career.